Welcome to Always Analog, where we celebrate the beauty of analog technology in the digital world. Today, something vintage that I found that was actually mine. And while I don't exactly remember buying this pencil, I know I did. I don't remember when it was. It was a long time ago. And it was probably purchased in the 20th century. And I found it in the back of a desk. And I remember, well, I don't remember buying it, where I bought it. I do remember writing with it. And so it has been a long time, however, friends, since I have used this pencil, this mechanical pencil. And I thought, well, let's revisit this. And what I can't tell you is whether or not the leads that are inside are original to this pencil. They probably are, because I really have always preferred using wooden pencils primarily. And while I would get on these kicks where I think, well, let me get a mechanical pencil because I'm going to be doing something remotely and I won't have a sharpener, and I don't, want to have to worry about like taking umpteen pencils so that I always have a sharp point and blah, blah, blah. Let me just get a mechanical pencil. And that was always often my motivation for buying one. And I might use it once or twice for that kind of an application. And then, of course, when I'm at my desk or my table, one of my general writing areas, I go back to my good old wooden pencils because I have sharpeners all around me. So let's take a closer look at this Digit pencil. It is a Digit 0.7 millimeter. If you can see, the pocket clip is imprinted with the word Sanford. And it's got sort of a arrow chevron type end here that goes with it, Sanford. And then it is also marked Japan. It is a click style advancement here with the plunger on the top, which is also etched to say 0.7. This metal top comes off to reveal a white eraser here. I'll pull that out. I think I can. Yep, there it is. You can see this one, actually, I didn't use all that much. And then we have here, see if anything comes out of this. This is where you would put the leads in. Nothing's coming out, so there's no additional leads floating around in there. But I'm pretty sure that there's one here coming out of the pencil. Let me get a closer look at this tip, which is metal. Does it unscrew? It does. So this tip does come off, I guess. Hope I'm not messing this up. It doesn't really want to release. All right, I'm going to screw it back on. You have the metal tip, and then a second, a finer tip that comes out and then advances the lead out, as you can see how it's doing that. And I'm not, some of you who are more into collecting some of these older mechanical pencils may be able to help me determine kind of the vintage of this Sanford Digit mechanical pencil. Writes very smoothly. It's a comfortable, it's a harder material, the barrel here, but it is a comfortable pencil. It's round. You know, we often think of Sanford as a company of more American brands. You know, they're the parent of Papermate and, of course, their own brand, Sanford. But they did make pencils and other pens and other things in the erasers. They made pink pearls there for a while. They made things in the United States, but this was made in Japan, and it says in it. So I'm wondering if anybody knows who made this for Sanford, or if Sanford had, excuse me, manufacturing facilities in Japan. Would be interesting to know. It does, especially with that very fine tip, you do get a sense of precision. Can really, whoop, it's quiet. I'm gonna just try this eraser. Well, what do you know? It sort of still works. I'm guessing it's some sort of polymer. Speaking of which, well, old attached eraser. left some shadowing, but all the other kind of standard block erasers did a beautiful job. Very nice. So a Sanford Digit. It may have been available in other core widths, maybe a 0.5, maybe a 0.9, maybe something even larger. I don't know. This is where I'm going to reach out and ask you if you are familiar with this particular model of mechanical pencil from Sanford, if you know who made it in Japan, if it wasn't Sanford, if you know, probably came in other colors, I'm guessing, and perhaps, like I said, maybe other core sizes as well. If you have any experience with the Sanford Digit, please share that with me in the comments. I'd love to know more about this mechanical pencil. And I thank you for watching. It's been a long time since I held this pencil. I really think it's been easily over 20 years. So I appreciate you watching. Please share, like, and subscribe if you're so inclined. And I look forward to seeing you again real soon here on Always Analog.